What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the ASUS Zenfone 10 counters the smartphone price trend in 2023. ASUS lets slip the price of the Zenfone 10. Here's how much it will cost. The network has new details regarding the upcoming ASUS Zenfone 10 smartphone, which includes the latest features, release date, price and much more. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, for our daily tech news, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. ASUS may have missed too many indications regarding one of its upcoming Android smartphones. More specifically, the Taiwanese manufacturer has indicated the price of the ASUS Zenfone 10 due to sweepstakes. The news source is Android Authority. According to the source, the Taiwanese company ASUS intends to release the Zenfone 10 smartphone to the global market in the fourth quarter of 2023 and hopes to end off it with the best qualities of compact smartphones. For ASUS fans, some information has been leaked from ASUS itself that prices for the Zenfone 10 may be cheaper than expected. ASUS recently launched a website to facilitate built-in testing of the Zenfone 10's camera. The website invites users to vote on a series of photos, and the feedback received will help set up the upcoming smartphone's camera. Users will also enter the Zenfone 10 raffle after it launches. A tech insider noticed that the terms and conditions on the website actually list the approximate retail price of the Zenfone 10 as $749. The leaked information so far, along with the last month's Geekbench appearance, suggested a larger screen of the ASUS Zenfone 10 smartphone, which measures a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED with up to 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, up to 16GB of RAM, and 256 or 512GB of internal flash memory. Main camera with 200 megapixel with OIS feature, IP68 certification against water and dust certification, and a 5000 mAh long-lasting battery with 67-watt fast battery charging support. Ultimately, according to ASUS own words, the Zenfone 10 will start at $749, hovering around the starting price of the Zenfone 9. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.